Okay, so for question 8, we're asked, does the origin lie inside of this sphere? So the first thing I'm going to do is draw this as a circle instead, a two-dimensional picture. So in this case, clearly the origin does not lie inside of the sphere, and that's ultimately because the radius right here, or the distance from the center to the outer extremes of the circle that we have, is less than the distance from the circle, or from the center of the circle to the origin. But if we were to draw a bigger circle with a larger radius, then it would be. So ultimately, we're asking, is the question, does the origin lie inside this sphere, boils down to the question, is the distance between our center and the origin, is that less than the radius, or is it greater than the radius? So in order to do that, we're just going to, in order to find that out, we're going to look at this guy, and that tells us that r is going to be equal to the square root of 13. And then we're going to look at the distance between our center and the origin, and that is going to be equal to root. So it's just going to be the opposite of these guys, because we subtract our x naught, our y naught, and our z naught. So that's going to be 1 minus 0. Not that that actually matters for this case, but just for the squared, and then also still under that is plus negative 3 minus 0 squared. So that guy is equal to root 1 plus 4 plus 9 is equal to root 14. So root 13 is less than root 14, which means that our distance is greater than our radius, which means that it lies outside of our sphere.